What if I told you that you could manifest anything you want? Yes, anything. Not just one random wish, but the exact life you dream about. And all it takes? A notebook, a pen, a few minutes a day, and a belief strong enough to move the universe. Sounds impossible? It's not, because the method you're about to learn isn't just some trendy trick. It's backed by energy, intention, and numbers so powerful. Even Nikola Tesla called them the key to unlocking the universe. He said, if you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have the secret to everything. And today, you're going to understand why. You're not here by accident. You've been guided to this moment. So take a deep breath and get ready to change your vibration, shift your focus, and unlock a door you didn't even know existed. Let's begin. We live in a world that constantly shows us effects. How much money you have, where you live, what kind of people surround you, how happy, healthy, or successful you feel. All of this is effect. It's the outer layer. But what we can't see is the cause behind it. That's where the real power lives, deep inside you. See, most people try to change their life by changing the effects. They switch jobs, change partners, move cities. But the truth is, unless you change the cause, the outer world always returns to the same pattern. And what's the cause? Your thoughts, your energy, your inner dialogue. The silent things that shape your reality before the outside world ever reflects them. If you don't fix what's within, you'll always feel like you're fighting the current, trying harder and harder, but never getting what you truly want. But once you shift your inner world, the outside starts to rearrange for you. And that's exactly what the 369 technique is designed to do. It helps you rewire your energy, reprogram your mind, and reconnect with the force that actually creates your life. So, what exactly is the 369 manifestation technique? At first, it may sound simple, just repeating your wishes using certain numbers. But when you understand the meaning behind those numbers, everything changes. This technique was inspired by none other than Nikola Tesla, a man who decoded the universe through energy, frequency, and vibration. He believed that 3, 6, and 9 weren't ordinary numbers. They were the foundation of creation itself. He studied circles, geometry, angles, and found a pattern. No matter how you divide a circle, the numbers 3, 6, and 9 always show up. Even the 360 degrees in a full circle, all divisible by 3, 6, and 9. Tesla once said, if you understand the power of 3, 6, 9, you can open the secret door to the universe. These numbers aren't magic, they're energetic codes. 3 is the source, the origin of all desires. 6 is your internal power, the emotional fuel behind your wishes. 9 is the release, the energy that clears doubt, breaks past blocks, and pulls the future toward you. When you use these 3 numbers with intention and repetition, you're not just making a wish. You're aligning your energy with the exact frequency of what you want. And when your frequency matches your desire, the universe doesn't resist, it responds. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's get one thing clear. At the heart of the 369 technique are affirmations. But this isn't about just saying nice things to yourself. It's about training your mind to believe a new version of reality before it even shows up. Your brain? It doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined with emotion. So when you say something like, I am abundant, or I am healthy, or I am loved, and you actually feel it, your brain starts rewiring itself to believe that it's true. And once your brain believes it, your actions change. Your choices shift. Your confidence grows, your energy rises, and little by little, the outside world starts matching what's happening inside you. But here's the key. You can't fake it. You can't just write I'm rich 100 times and expect miracles if deep down you still feel poor. You have to speak it, write it, and visualize it like it's already yours. Like you've already received it, and now you're just saying thank you. Gratitude is the glue. And when you combine that with repetition, clarity, and the power of 369, things start shifting faster than you think. All right, here's how to actually use the 369 technique, step by step. It's simple, but don't underestimate it because the power is in the repetition, focus, and emotion. Step 1, get clear on what you want. Not, I want more money, or I want to be happy. Get specific, get personal. What do you really want and why? It could be, I receive 1,000 with ease for my dream business. Or, I am living in a peaceful, fully paid home by the beach. One clear wish, one clear vision. That's your seed. Step 2. Turn it into an affirmation. Say it in the present tense, like it's already yours. Not, I will get it, but I am grateful now that I have it. For example, I am so thankful that I receive 1,000 with ease and joy. Step 3. Practice this 3 times a day for 45 days straight. Morning, write your affirmation 3 times. Visualize it, feel it, start your day with that vibration. Afternoon, write it 6 times. Say it out loud, let the energy build. Night, write it 9 times before bed. This is the most powerful moment because your subconscious is open and dreams begin to carry your message forward. Use a notebook and pen, not a phone. Writing by hand connects your body, your brain, and your belief in one motion. And yes, do it every day, without missing. One skip resets the rhythm, so protect it. This is your ritual, your alignment practice, your quiet deal with the universe. Now listen closely. Writing your wish is powerful. Repeating it daily is important, but without belief, it's just ink on paper. The universe doesn't respond to desperation. It responds to energy, steady, confident, clear energy. And that's why your thoughts matter so much. You have around 60,000 thoughts a day, and if most of those are filled with doubt, fear, or frustration, no technique can overpower that noise. So protect your mind. Watch your inner dialogue. When doubt shows up, don't fight it. Replace it. Say, no, I choose faith. No, I know it's already on the way. No, I trust my timing. And here's the final layer. Once you've done your work, once you've written your affirmations, visualized your future, and shown up with love, let it go. You don't need to obsess, beg, or force anything. You're not proving yourself to the universe. You're aligning with it. So breathe, live, smile, walk like it's already yours, and the world will start shifting around you. So now you know. This isn't just about writing numbers or repeating words. It's about who you become in the process. It's about showing up every single day, not with pressure, but with presence. Choosing clarity over chaos, choosing belief over doubt, choosing faith even when results haven't shown up yet. And remember, you're not asking the universe to give you something. You're aligning your energy to receive what was always yours. So take your notebook, take your one wish, and for the next 45 days, commit. Feel it, believe it, live like it's already true. No rush, no fear, no second guessing, because what you see inside is what becomes real outside. And as we say, yatha drishti tatha srishti, as you see the world, so it becomes.